27th edition of News in Depth. I am Melissa Khan with the details. First up, persons are being screened before they enter Region 6. Here is that report.
East Berbice quarantine has so far recorded one case of the deadly coronavirus, and that was some 2 months ago. Javon Stevens, Director of Regional Health Service, East Berbice Quarantine, says they have implemented a rapid response team in the region.
The rapid response team is a team of trained medical professionals that is equipped with the necessary gears, what we probably call PPEs, and they are monitoring and tracking cases or related cases across the region. Even person that call to the hotline, this is a team that goes out well dressed in PPE to find these potential suspected patients or patients that would have indicated via the call to hotline that they are encountering some of the symptoms.
Stevens said the region is taking proactive steps and has already established an isolation and quarantine unit in Kanji.
It's no secret to everybody in East Berbice Quarantine that we have in Kanji our facilities for both isolation and quarantine, and also a segment there for administrative staff. Also, the staff of the regional hotline is staffed in Kanji. In Kanji, we have provisions for isolation and quarantine. We have a capacity of 16 beds thus far for isolation. This is persons that would have been, they are placed in isolation. Part of isolation is that we provide intensive care unit facilities, ventilators, cardiac monitors, etc. To date, no one has utilized the isolation facilities because the first case was sent to Georgetown, and unfortunately the person died subsequently after. But for quarantine, we have 36 beds available. Our capacity could be more because we have more space, but right now we can accommodate any 36 persons at one time.
He said a team of health officials are also stationed at the Berbice River Bridge, screening persons coming into the town.
And they are screening all incoming passengers or residents into East Berbice Quarantine. Average on a daily basis, they see about 1,500 to 1,800 persons coming into the region. If a person is screened that requires secondary screening, the person is given a ban, issued a ban on their hands, and they're escorted to the nearest health facility. In most cases, New Amsterdam Hospital, that's the place designated for the second screening.
Stevens said that public health officials are also working all along the coastal areas of East Berbice Quarantine and the riverine communities to ensure that persons are following the guidelines and are keeping safe.
Wouldn't it be nice if we didn't have so much waste to dispose of in the landfill? Well, composting can help us reduce the waste we dispose of by turning our organic waste into compost, which can be used to improve the quality of our soil.
Composting is very simple and convenient.
You can compost using organic waste such as vegetable skins,
or fallen leaves and cut grass and put this in a composting bin or pile.
Compost can help your garden grow healthy plants while reducing your volume of waste. It's a really good way to keep our communities clean and healthy.
So, let's all start composting our waste.
Find out how easy it is. Call us on 226-2189 or 227-8429 or visit our website moc.gov.gy. A message from the Ministry of Communities in collaboration with the Inter-American Development Bank.
Shh! It's your new secret. The all-in-one weapon for perfecting imperfections and capturing flawless skin. A lot of brands forget women of color or just don't understand that we come in all shades. From caramel to ebony, there is such a range. Hema Cosmetics is for every woman and features a line of skincare products and cosmetics including 16 foundation shades, powder, concealer, lipstick, blush, eyeshadow, highlighter, and BB cream. Visit us at Lot 75, Swamp Section, Rosal Town. That's behind the market. Or call 337-4422 or 688-9249. Shh.
A man is in custody after he was caught throwing contraband items in the prison.
According to police, the suspect is a former guest of the state who resides at Mount Sinai, West Kanji, Berbice. It was around 5 p.m. yesterday afternoon when ranks of the New Amsterdam Prison Service Task Force were conducting regular routine checks around the perimeter of the prison and observed the man tossing a bulky bag over the prison's wall and fled. He was immediately pursued and apprehended a short distance away. The bag was retrieved and found to contain several prohibited items, including Pall Mall cigarettes, cellular phones, SIM cards, phone chargers, and suspected cannabis. The suspect is in police custody, assisting with the investigations.
And finally, no mask, no entry to the New Amsterdam market. Let's take a look. Mayor of New Amsterdam, Winifred Haywood, said that persons adhering to the curfew is one of the main challenges facing the town. The mayor was speaking during an interview with this newscast.
Main challenge is the curfew, because we find that some people they don't understand that it's 6 to 6. To the business people, what we have done, even before the public health ministry would have said that, well, we will have to go to curfew, we will have to go to the, even before the curfew, we had already met and we decided that we were going to go to every business in this town. And we went to the businesses, we spoke to them about this COVID-19, and we told them about the necessary guidelines that we would want them to adhere.
The mayor said persons entering the market must wear a mask and wash their hands at one of the several hand washing stations around the market.
People on entering the market, they have to wash their hands. So the sinks are provided at several points in the market. Sinks are provided, the necessary soap for them to wash their hands properly. As it relates to the social distancing, we have been advocating to them. We also have signs, we have banners where they can read and understand how they should be apart from each other. Actually, we have said so. We have not found anyone as yet. But what we do have, we have people abusing our constables downstairs. But even though they are doing that, the constables are strong, and so they can't get to go in. So eventually they have no choice. They purchase one and go into the market.
The mayor said the market hours are also adjusted.
We are working from 7 to 12, and the 7 to 12 will be Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those are the days. We are not working on Wednesday and Sunday simply because we need to sanitize the area.
And that has brought us to the end of this edition of our Nightly Rundown. For more news, visit our website, rdproductiongy.com, or our Facebook page at Royce the Joyce Production. I am Melissa Khan. Good night.